SpreadsheetWeb is a no-code platform that allows Excel users to create complex business applications from Excel without any coding and only utilizing Excel formulas. What SpreadsheetWeb does is more than transforming Excel files into web applications. It's a platform that also has database integration, security features, workflow capabilities, reporting applications, and visualizations. Let's take a look at how you can easily create a web application with additional features like print or saving data, and also have a workflow around it. Assume that you want to build an insurance coding tool and allow your agents and underwriters to collaborate on the records in the system. Here's a workbook created by business users to calculate a premium for homeowners insurance. To create a complete package where users can collaborate, generate documents, and notify each other when a certain code is approved, you can convert this workbook into a web application and add workflow features in SpreadsheetWeb. We developed an AI-based technology to make application development easier for our new users and show them what they can do in SpreadsheetWeb. All you need to do is to upload your file and select what type of an application you would like to create. Please note that this builder is not designed for complex use cases, but for simpler files. Once you plug in your spreadsheet, the system generates a few variations of what your application might look like. If you're happy with one of them, you can simply publish it. If you didn't quite get the look you wanted, or the AI missed something, you can always edit your application in the next step. This is a calculator type of application where users can enter their data and see the calculated results. On top of this, you can also capture the user data by enabling the database feature. Other users in the system can be given access to any saved record. You can add a print feature to create a document when the users press a button. For this, you only need a Word file as a template. The resulting document can also contain any of the workbook fields if you define them in the Word file. Email notifications can be added easily and will be triggered when a button is pressed. This way, an email will be sent when a new record is created and system users will be notified. You can further configure the workflow by automatically assigning records to different users. Users can be given access to see their own records only, and this way they will be able to focus only on the records assigned to them. Application data can be used in reporting directly from inside SpreadsheetWeb. You can create a dashboard application to analyze the data being collected by the data collection application. Visualizations in reporting applications are interactive. You can also apply filters to narrow down the results. SpreadsheetWeb is a complete application development platform that can offer an end-to-end solution for various business processes in executing business logic, data collection, workflow automation, and reporting. In addition to being a cloud service, SpreadsheetWeb can also be installed on any Windows server. This can be especially important in industries with sensitive data such as finance or healthcare.